The hell are you supposed to be?
I'm vengeance.
Who are you?
I am vengeance.
Wow! Ben Johnson? The Canadian sprinter? Ben Johnson? Wow!
No. Vengeance. I am vengeance.
Wow! Ben Johnson. Nice to meet you. Let's celebrate.
Damn. Hello my friends, old and new. Welcome to my channel. I received the Batman and Batsignal set, which is MMS641, and the Batcycle, MMS642, by Hottoys recently. Now, what are we waiting for? Let's see what's inside the boxes. I'm sure it'll be fun. Let's do it. Right. Start with the Batman and Batsignal set. Here we go. There are two options in cape style. One thing I like most from these accessories is the wingsuit. Transforms Bat into flying squirrel. I like that flying scene in the movie. The other one I like is the detachable chest batarang. It reminds me of the chest boomerang of the Great Mazinga. The batarang is made of metal and attached by magnet. Beautiful. Other batarangs are also made of metal. Unlike the old Hot Toys, they are now using separate rolling eyeballs. Figure base and diorama pieces can be combined into a few different ways. The diorama base and batsignal, they are awesome. The set includes a 3D backdrop. It's quite good. Not bad at all. Back of the backdrop, there's a pop-up stand. For the figure base, there are 2 optional graphic cards. Now, with over 30 points of articulation, I will show you the move. Whoops. Wearing fabric armored suit, he moves much better than most of other Batman figures with rubber suit. However, it's not really active. Still fits for museum pose. Okay, let's move on to the Batcycle. It is just the bike and 2 clear display stands. A simple but gorgeous model with good detail such as engine, suspension, exhaust, etc. and a bit of light weathering. LED light-up function for headlight and rear signal light is powered by either USB cable or, unlike the Batsignal and diorama base, 3 AAA batteries can also be used in conventional way, and I love the old way with no wire hanging out. Wow, looks great. Conclusion: I like both sets. As I said earlier, this Batman figure is different from other Batman figures, and I love the source material, the movie. I thoroughly enjoyed it, and I have watched a few times already. The only thing I thought funny is Catwoman's cheap-looking mask. So funny. Thanks for watching, my dear friends. Have a good one. Enjoy your life and be good. Ciao.